Hey guys, it's Macy and today I'm going to do a vlog on going to my pond. Alright, so I'm gonna bring this water bottle there with me because I'm gonna be there for about 10 minutes, I'm gonna be there for a bit. I'm gonna get thirsty, Alright, so this is my bike right here, so let's get on. Alright, I am getting on. I put my water bottle in my basket as well. Oh gosh. Guys, it's raining. It's sprinkling out. I feel it. It's sprinkling. There's droplets. Guys, it had to start sprinkling as soon as I started this video. Yeah, guys, it's sprinkling. I know, I made this whole video and everything saying I can get at 3. Should I still go guys? But my phone's gonna die. And what if it actually starts raining? Guys, I'm gonna go, okay? Don't worry, guys. No, guys, it's starting to actually pick up. It's not raining, but I don't know if y'all see those droplets on the ground, but guys, I'm still going, okay? Don't worry. I'm not giving up on y'all. I at least want to just ride over there, and then if it starts getting bad, then I'll come back, but I at least want to make this video. Well, I at least want to go. Because, yeah. It's the whole point of why I made that video. Right. Guys, I'm getting wet. Wait, let me put my hood on. 1 second, guys. Alright, I'm back. Yeah, I have my hoodie on now. It looks horrible, but do not want to get wet. Alright, we're already here, guys. I told y'all, it's really close to me. Y'all have a horrible view, and I'm so sorry. Because the water bottle is making this big back. Alright, we're here. Let me pull it in. Alright, I'm here. I just need to park my bike. Alright guys, we're here. Let me put my water up here. But we are here. Look, I'll show y'all. Look, there's the pond, and here's tables. That's my water. And there's my bike. Then there's another table over there, but I like these tables. Then there's also a trash can. And then there's ducks, but the ducks aren't out right now because they felt the rain probably, but I'm gonna go. So guys, look. So we have a pond here that I can visibly see. And then we have a pond right across that has no picnic tables or anything. But I can still go over there. So I'm gonna walk over there, guys. I'm gonna leave my stuff. Nobody's gonna take my stuff, guys. Seriously. I don't care if they take my walk. And They're not gonna take my bike. Oh, people are swimming. Not in the pond, but in their pool. Alright. Check both ways. Guys, the ducks over here are out. Look. I don't know if y'all can see. There's ducks. Like, oh, right there. I can't go up to them, and I have no food to feed them with. Oh crap. I'm gonna take it off. I think it basically like stopped. I'm glad I came because it's not even raining anymore. Well, should I say sprinkling? But like, still. Okay, I'm coming back. Alright, I'm gonna sit down and I'm gonna drink some water. Oh crap. Wait, let me open it at least. Basically, y'all are probably like, why do you even come here if you literally like really do nothing? Well, I basically just come here for fun, basically for the ride and then just to hang out, you know? Somebody just waved at me. Like they were in their car and they just waved at me. Hello? Alright, I'm probably gonna stay for like a couple more minutes and then I'll probably like head back and then like just ride like on the block and all that. So basically over here at the pond there's like circles of like concrete, you know, so I'm gonna just like ride that. So like I'm still gonna be here at the pond, but like I'm gonna like go like ride, but I'm riding at the pond, you know, because there's some sidewalks over here. So I'm not leaving, guys, don't worry. Be very boring if I left already. Look, this is the other little seating area. Right here. I don't know if y'all saw. Yeah, right there. That's the other one, but that one is not my favorite because it's not near the actual pond, you know? Oh yeah, I'm going fast. Not that fast. I like fast. Alright, we're going to circle. Oh, I guess. It's all circles. The car just passed and they were like staring at me. So I was just like smiling. Tight turn. There's so many tight turns over here. Alright, I'm gonna come back to the turtles. Oh, alright. I'm gonna put my kickstand down. And we're back to the this beautiful place. I'm gonna put my phone on the trash can. Don't worry guys, I do it all the time and it never falls. Sometimes I like come over here and then like bring like a snack box, like a snackle box, you know, and then it has like lots of containers, and I bring like lots of food. So yeah, and then we can have like a picnic over here because this is public, you know. It's not really like my property, it's our neighborhood, so it's like public, you know. So but normally people come here to fish also in the ponds, but yeah, I think I might head back soon. I'm gonna head back now because I just feel like it, you know. It's kind of getting boring over here. So I'm gonna head back. My hands are pretty cold, guys. This is like a tradition. Really. I love having a basket because like genuinely if I didn't have a basket I wouldn't really be able to do this vlog. Like I still could be able to, but then I'd have to be like holding my phone the whole time, and that's not very safe because I could drop my phone and break it, and also like it's just like not really safe because then I could get in a car, I could get in a crash, you know, or like I could fall off my bike. Don't worry guys, I did not fall or anything. It was just a bump and then my like basket shook a little, but my phone didn't fall. It just like dropped over, but it didn't fall out of the basket or anything. Oh my gosh, it's so windy. The wind is like pushing me back. I bet y'all could probably like see, I mean, not see the wind, hear the wind. Y'all could see my hair blowing back, but like, I mean like, y'all can hear the wind like blowing so loud. Sorry guys, a car came and I kind of like, oh, my bad. I went over a bump again, guys. But yeah, a car came and I had to like, just like smile. But I made it to my house. So yeah. Alright guys, don't worry. I just came back to my house to put my water down because I don't really like need it that much, because I'm not gonna go back to the pond today. I'm just gonna like ride around like near my house and on my street, and then maybe like around the block, which is like in my neighborhood, like kind of far into my neighborhood, you know. So yeah, let's go. Alright, I'm on my bike and now I'm gonna start riding like on my street back and forth now. Oh, by the way guys, I'm so sorry guys, but anyways, actually done with all these bumps. Alright, wait, I have to slow down. Okay, so basically, let me continue what I was saying. So basically, this was one of my vlogs for, sorry guys, I was trying to grab it. So this was one of my vlogs, basically like going to the pond and riding my bike. And my next vlog is probably going to be like a makeup routine, because I want to give y'all a makeup routine, and like that seems like pretty fun to do, because I love my makeup routine. And yeah, it's not copied by, like, I didn't make it, like, this is my routine. I didn't copy it from anyone, like any influencers or anything. It's like mine that I love and like kind of like made, you know, with my idea of how I want my makeup to be. I did not steal it from anyone. And yeah. And by the way, whenever I do that makeup tutorial, I'm gonna do it someday, I just don't know when. But when I do it, it's okay if y'all copy it. That's kind of why I'm doing it, so that y'all can like copy it and do it on yourself. And if y'all do a makeup tutorial on y'all's channels, y'all have the right to, I'll give y'all permission to to do it like in your tutorial, you know. Like, you can make it your tutorial, but make sure you like tag me and give me comments. Yeah, I'm like totally okay if y'all make that y'all's tutorial. Just make sure y'all tag me and give me credit, because like this is mine, you know, not anyone else's. So yeah, I might do it tomorrow, or if I feel like doing it, I might do it later today or tonight. But I'll probably do it tomorrow, because I don't have any plans tomorrow. So alright. I'm going pretty fast. Oh, well, I was going pretty fast. Oh guys, the sun's popping out. Oh wait, no, I don't want to blind you. Guys, why are people littering so much? Literally, there's literally a full-on trash bag and cardboard right there. That actually hurts my back. But I can't pick it up because I'm literally like riding my bike. And that would like weigh my bike down so much. Anyways, I don't really know what to talk about anymore. But y'all can comment on this video or any other video I have, or any other video that I might do later, or any YouTube shorts. Y'all can just comment, hey, I have a YouTube idea for you, and then just type YouTube idea, you know? But yeah, I'm getting really into like doing more vlogs and videos, because like now that it's winter, right, I like I don't really have any stuff to do, so I'm kind of just like sitting in my room doing nothing, watching like YouTube shorts and TikTok and all that. So I need some ideas because I'm very bored, and I want to entertain y'all also, just in case y'all are bored. Oh, wait, oh, it's a break. So there's a really sharp turn. Sorry, let me just stop it. I mean, stop talking, but wait. Alright. So, oh, wait. Wait, what was I gonna say? Guys, my brain just had like a full-on burn right now. I was thinking of something to say, but I literally totally just forgot, bro. There's some bumps up here, so I'm slowly. Is that my phone? Alright, now I'm gonna speed up again. Oh, I hit a bump, but my phone started to fall. It didn't fall away. It's getting pretty cold out, and the wind's really bad. I might head inside soon, so yeah. Guys, I should. Guys, something just happened. So basically, this kid was riding like an electric scooter, like on the sidewalk and on the road. So like he passed by me, and then he said hello, and I said hi. I don't know him, guys. Keep that in your brain. So I said hi, and he said, what are you doing? And I said, I think I'm riding my bike, obviously. And then, yeah. Then he just rode his scooter away. Said nothing else. It was actually funny. I was literally laughing while saying, I was like, what do you think I'm doing? Because he was like being really stupid. What if he watches this video? I hope he doesn't see this video, guys. That would be bad. But anyways, guys, I think I'm gonna go inside, so I'm pulling into my driveway. Okay, I'm off of my bike. I'm just rolling it up because I do not feel like. Alright guys, this is the end of my video. Hope y'all enjoyed watching me go to the lake and then hearing me talk about like some stuff like my next video I'm gonna do. And I hope y'all enjoyed watching me just like ride around and have fun. I hope y'all are having fun. But anyways, bye guys.